All right, so today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the Viltrox AF 25 f1.7 Nikon Z lens. It is the last in my list of collection of like prime lenses that I've been looking at for a long time. And it is something that I personally have wanted. So this is a product that I got with my own money. It wasn't sent to me or anything. So all thoughts and reviews are my own. And the way I'll go ahead and do this review is I'm currently using the series 16mm lens for this video right now. So I will swap out the lenses for this for you to get an idea of the quality change as well as how the dimensions look in comparison to this current lens. This is kind of the unboxing experience, so you can get an idea of how it will look exactly. A warranty card. Ooh. And there's a QR code with the instruction manual. I like this sleek black design. It's giving very premium, very black card vibes. This is the lens pouch. The whole experience is very sophisticated, good material. And here is the main baby itself. Bit hard to bring out, but nonetheless, it still comes out. This is it. I love the finishing. It looks legit. It is a very strong plastic finish, but it still has that very premium feeling. It kind of reminds me like plastic version of my Sigma lens. It gives off the same kind of premium feeling. And I feel this would be a great addition to my collection. I'll go ahead and swap out the lens now. All right, so this is a 25mm. I'm moving back till I am completely in frame. So like this, I am now in frame. I feel like what I need to do is I need to bring it up a bit more. So that's what I will do. I'll just tilt the camera angle a bit more. Here is just a quick look of how this video looks filming from 25mm for the first time. I took off the 16mm lens that I was using for the content so far, and now I'm using the 25mm. I prefer this, in my honest opinion, because it gives more of a true to life. Pretty much what I see is what I get, and I am quite happy with the results. It's a bit far from the lens, so in terms of audio quality, I'll have to balance that in post just to give the exact same level of audio quality. But in terms of dimensions, I love the look of this lens a lot more. It feels more professional. It feels more like actual YouTube quality. Now, keep in mind, I am not filming any of these videos with any external lights. I'm filming strictly with my room lights, which just happens to be a white light. And I want to use this as an example of how I could easily be filming content back to back because I'm not really going to have to set up anything else. Just turn on my backlights, turn on my front lights, my normal lights for the rooms, and just point and shoot. But yeah, that's all. That's the video. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy the quality of the lens and the lens review, do drop a like down below. With that being said, have a great day and take care.